Yo guys, welcome back to today's video. Here's a bit of a live trade that I just freaking missed. Brother, full TP just hit. Let's kind of start from the top. That's crazy, man. I mean, I feel okay about it because, like, you know, I just mark it up, I do my thing, and it plays out. But the entry is definitely something I still have to work on. But again, we're still very much bearish. Break 1, break 2, liquidity grab. We have an internal break here. I'll kind of mark up everything in this area again, just to show you. So we're still overall bearish, right? I'm gonna use this internal break to the downside here. And so that means I'm able to use this order block right here. Jumping down to the 1 hour, we have the same thing where it's just kind of like an internal order block break. And then the entry. Now, upon coming into the market, we already had our break in our favor within the fractal times at 6 o'clock. Overall, the swing liquidity of that structure was grabbed, and then from there I just have to wait for PA. Now, of course, we broke past the swing, so if we broke again above this high, this setup would be invalidated. Price action level sits right here, and I'll kind of tell you why I missed this setup. I am curious to see if I did 60, what would happen. Pretty damn close. I ended up doing 45 just to cover this structure right here, or like 40. Now, I was looking at the 1 minute EMA, and this is the issue. This is actually the same problem as one of the trades earlier this week. I was waiting for a candle closure past the EMA level, but as you can see, this is the candle that closed past it, and it closed way too far down. So at this point in time, it's 7:19, so I can now I can either wait for the 1 minute to close past the EMA, which it did, but too far, or I can wait for a 5 minute candle closure below the PA level. Now, because it was the last minute of that candle, I should have just gotten in as I saw it was breaking past the PA level. That would have been safe as well, but I didn't. So, and then I ended up just kind of waiting for a retest back into this area, but it couldn't reach far enough. And we did ultimately hit a 1 to 2. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Pretty simple setup. The technical part of it is pretty easy. It's just the entry that I really have to nail. I don't know if it's more of like an experience thing where, like, okay, like I just know what's going down. I don't need to have perfect things to happen, like 5 minute candle closure here, 1 minute candle EMA closing pass. As soon as I saw this candle close past it, I should have just gotten in, because in that sense, yes, it hasn't closed past the EMA yet, but I'm also in the last minute of the 5 minute candle, so I should be able to take that entry. So I think it was going to be like something like this. Yeah, full TP was hit. So yeah, today, really good in terms of like routine, waking up, getting to the charts, things like that, marking up, staying awake. So I feel good about this setup. It's okay that I missed it. I know that I can do it over and over again, as long as I just continue to show up and do these things. And over time, my intuition with the entry will become better, and that also comes with back testing. But yeah, today's Friday, so last day of the week. It actually could have been a pretty good week. I believe Monday was a winner, Tuesday was a winner that I missed, Wednesday was a loss, yesterday, I forgot what happened yesterday. I think I missed it, and then I missed it again. So like 3 misses, so I could have 4 winners this week. Yeah, but anyways, we will see you guys for Monday.